Imagine stepping back into the golden era of American motoring, where cars weren't just transportation, they were symbols of freedom, style, and pure road presence. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic full-size American classics ever built, the 1972 Chevrolet Impala. Finished in a rich brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this vintage beauty perfectly captures the elegance and confidence of the early 1970s. From its massive chrome details to its smooth V8 performance and luxurious cabin, the 1972 Impala continues to win the hearts of collectors and classic car enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a lifelong fan of vintage American automobiles or simply appreciate timeless automotive design, stay with us because this legendary Chevy has a lot to offer. The first thing you'll notice is its unmistakable road presence. The long hood, wide stance, and flowing body lines immediately remind you that this was an era when bigger truly meant better. The deep brown paint gives the Impala an elegant yet muscular personality. Under bright sunlight, the glossy finish beautifully highlights the sculpted fenders and sweeping side profile. Up front, the signature chrome grille stretches confidently across the nose, flanked by quad headlights that give the car a commanding expression. The chrome front bumper is massive, polished to perfection, and designed to last for decades. Moving along the sides, the car's impressive length becomes even more apparent. Smooth body panels, chrome window trim, polished door handles, and period-correct side mirrors all contribute to its classic American luxury appearance. The large greenhouse provides excellent visibility while enhancing the elegant proportions of the body. Chrome wheel covers paired with white wall tires complete the authentic vintage look, making the Impala stand out wherever it goes. At the rear, the design remains equally distinctive. Wide horizontal taillights, a broad chrome bumper, and subtle Chevrolet badging create a clean, timeless finish. Every angle of the 1972 Impala reflects an era when designers focused on presence, comfort, and sophistication rather than aggressive styling. It's a car that effortlessly attracts attention without trying too hard. Opening the large doors reveals a spacious brown interior that feels warm, inviting, and unmistakably vintage. The matching brown upholstery perfectly complements the exterior color, creating a harmonious cabin design. Depending on the trim level, buyers could enjoy either comfortable bench seats or individual front seats, both offering generous cushioning for long-distance cruising. The soft materials and classic stitching remind you of an age when comfort came before everything else. The dashboard showcases a clean horizontal layout with wood grain trim, chrome accents, and large easy-to-read analog gauges. Every control is simple, intuitive, and built with durability in mind. The classic steering wheel feels substantial in your hands, while the instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information in an elegant vintage format. Passengers are treated to an impressive amount of space. The front seats offer outstanding comfort, while the rear bench easily accommodates 3 adults with plenty of legroom and shoulder room. This was one of the reasons the Impala became such a popular family car throughout North America. Even today, very few modern sedans can match the sheer interior spaciousness offered by this classic Chevrolet. Practicality was another strong point. The enormous trunk provides enough room for multiple suitcases, picnic equipment, or luggage for extended road trips. Combined with the roomy cabin, the Impala was built for families who valued comfort, reliability, and long-distance travel. When it comes to performance, the 1972 Chevrolet Impala focused more on effortless cruising than outright speed. Buyers could choose from several engine options, including inline-6 and multiple V8 power plants. The most popular choices were Chevrolet's legendary small block and big block V8 engines. Depending on configuration, engine sizes ranged from around 250 cubic inches all the way up to 402 cubic inches. These engines delivered strong low-end torque, making acceleration smooth and confident. Whether merging onto the highway or effortlessly overtaking slower traffic, the Impala always felt relaxed and capable. Most models were paired with Chevrolet's dependable turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, known for its smooth gear changes and long-term reliability. The suspension was tuned primarily for comfort. Long-wheel travel and soft springs allowed the Impala to glide over rough roads with remarkable composure. Instead of feeling every bump, passengers experienced a smooth floating ride that became one of the defining characteristics of large American sedans from this era. The power steering made maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy, while available power brakes improved stopping confidence. Although handling wasn't designed for spirited cornering, the Impala excelled at highway cruising. It remained stable, comfortable, and remarkably quiet, making every journey enjoyable. Driving this car today isn't about chasing lap times or setting speed records. It's about enjoying the relaxed pace, listening to the deep rumble of the V8, watching the long hood stretch toward the horizon, and appreciating an automotive experience that's becoming increasingly rare. Every drive feels like a nostalgic trip back to a simpler time. Reliability has always been one of the Impala's strongest qualities. With regular maintenance, these classic Chevrolet engines are known for their durability and longevity. Parts remain widely available thanks to the car's popularity among collectors and restoration enthusiasts, making ownership far more practical than many other vintage classics. As for pricing, the value of a 1972 Chevrolet Impala depends heavily on its condition, originality, engine choice, mileage, and restoration quality. A project car that requires extensive work can often be found for around $8,000 to $15,000. Well-maintained driver quality examples generally sell between $20,000 and $35,000. Beautifully restored or highly original low-mileage cars equipped with desirable V8 engines can command prices ranging from $40,000 to over $60,000, with exceptional collector-grade examples occasionally selling for even more. As interest in classic American cars continues to grow, the Impala remains one of the most desirable full-size Chevrolets from the early 1970s. Owning this car is about much more than transportation. It's about preserving a piece of American automotive history. Every chrome detail, every curve of the body, every rumble from the V8 engine tells a story from an unforgettable era of car design. The brown exterior paired with the matching brown interior gives this particular Impala a refined and sophisticated personality that feels just as appealing today as it did over 50 years ago. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing true American luxury from the golden age of automobiles, the 1972 Chevrolet Impala deserves a place at the top of your list. It offers timeless styling, exceptional comfort, dependable mechanicals, and an unforgettable driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Whether displayed at classic car shows, driven on scenic weekend cruises, or carefully preserved in a private collection, this legendary Chevrolet continues to represent everything enthusiasts love about vintage American motoring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next classic and modern car review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.